Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about business is not a free ride.
So I'm going to mostly talk on this subject because
because
I have heard some different stuff about some different Smiths and their businesses and things like that just here recently, and it really brings up the core. And I spoke to this issue quite a bit at a recent demonstration that I was doing, but a lot of people feel that in a business that you look at your boss right now, wherever you're sitting in life and you're doing your work and things like that, and you look at your boss and you say, man, it must be nice for him to drive a nice car. It must be nice for him to take and go on vacation on all my sweat equity, right? Mm-hmm. And you think that business stops for him at the point in which he gets employees and he gets things like that. And so therefore you idolize it in your mind. You say, if only I could own my own business. Life would be great. I'd have nothing but vacation time. Like a perpetual state of sitting on my hands and doing nothing. This is an incorrect thought of the minds of the simple. Mm-hmm. If you think this, you're a simple-minded person. This is going to be a Roy rant when it comes here, eye-opening for you. I have not worked harder in all my life than I have worked on my own business. There are no off-time hours for business. We're on vacation. We're still answering customers' emails. We're at some family event. I'm still on the phone trying to get something done towards business in my spare moments where I'm not using my focus. We have to take and put up our own no cell phone times, where we just disconnect completely, literally.
Phone it off.
But it's for an hour or two. We're disconnecting from work. It's like constantly being on call because there's changes and there's pivots and there's shifts in your business that happen that you've got to constantly be on. Otherwise, your competitors outwork you. They out-hustle you. While you're in Tahiti laying on a beach thinking that everything's going to be hunky-dory forever with your business and your items and just you are
slack.
Yeah, or your employees slack off, right? You guys have probably done it. Well, the boss is away so I don't have to work so hard. You've just created that man a complete stressing out moment. His stress veins in his neck are that big, and you wonder why he comes down on you so hard, or she comes down on you so hard when they get back in town to find that the work wasn't done. Mm-hmm. Because they're constantly working at their business, and that's why you have a job. So if you're going to be a self-employed person, if you are going to take and be a business owner yourself, this isn't one of those where I can sell a few hammers online, I can sell a few art pieces online, and then I don't have to do anything for an entire month. No. You will not have a sustainable business, and it won't be for the long term, and chances are you're going to have to go back to your regular vocation. Mm-hmm. So every day, I've said it before, every day you have to be hustling.
Always be hustling.
Always be hustling. Mm-hmm. You can't leave any stone unturned in business. This is the reason why I say a lot of the things that I do. Because if you're not finding the results that you want, maybe you're sitting on your hands too much. Mm. You're sitting on your hands too much. You're treating it like it's a perpetual vacation if you're not getting the results that you're looking for. This isn't anything. Whether you're an outstanding employee or you're the worst employee in the face of this earth. If you're not getting a result, you're not getting the promotion, it's because you're not treating it with the same seriousness as what you should be treating it. You're doing too much hand-sitting and waiting for life to pay out. There are no free rides in business. So that's one of those real serious words. It's a straight up, straight to the point thing. Mm-hmm. Yes, I know I went over 3 minutes. Yes, this was a bit of a Roy rant kind of thing mixed in at 3 minutes at 3. You got a 2-for-1 special there. We probably just lost a bunch of subscribers, but that's okay. You guys needed to hear it. It's not a free ride. It's not cupcakes and roses and creams all the time. You have got to take and be serious about it and then move forward in a way that will bless your life and allow you to do things like go on vacation and enjoy yourself.
Yep.
So that's it for this 3-ish at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.